Hello and welcome to MATHSPEDIA, a math learning hub. And I'm Meena, your math guide. Yes, today we will solve a practice paper of IMO class 9th. And before we start, let me ask you to please subscribe the channel if you have not done so yet. So here we go. And the question paper is divided into 4 sections, and they are logical reasoning, then comes mathematical reasoning, then is everyday mathematics, and last is achievers section. And this section is important as it carries 3 marks each question, right? And whereas the other questions, they carry 1 mark each. So let's begin. First comes logical reasoning. There will be 15 questions from 1 to 15. Here it goes. Like the first question says, the position of how many digits will remain the same if the digits in the number 97215368 are rearranged in the descending order. That means the digits are rearranged in descending. Descending means from bigger to smaller, right? So if you notice, 9 will remain there itself. What will come after 9? It will come 8. So this will be 8, this will be 7, then will be 6 here. So again 5 will remain there itself, there only, the position will be same. So after 5, what is the smaller number? It is 3. So 3 will be there only. So then it will come 2 and then last 1. So how many digits are remaining at the place? They are 3, 9, 5 and 3. So the answer is D. Next question comes, 3 positions of a dice are shown below. Which of the following alphabet is on the face opposite to the face having alphabet B? Now, if you see the first and the second picture, you will notice E is on the right side only. The difference is, in the first one, A is on the top, in the second, D is on the top. When will this happen? And this letter also is changed. Here it is C, it is F. This happens only when A is opposite to D and C is opposite to F. How? See, if you rotate the first picture, like this picture, if you rotate towards your side 2 times or you take backward 2 times, so what will happen? Below here is D, so that will come on top, and this C will go back and F will come in front, right? So that means A and D are opposite to each other and C and F are opposite to each other. Now what is remaining is E and B. So the question is, which alphabet is opposite to B? It will be E. That means option B but letter E. So here option is B. So right answer is B. I hope it is clear. Now next question is, which of the following figures is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Here answer is option B. You see little curve is there here. Here this curve is there. So this is this, right? Then like this. See? Then it comes till here. It goes here and then here. This shape, right? So option B is the right answer here. Now next question. Question number 4. So it says, in a certain code language, 348 means she likes apples. 8375 means parrots likes apples lot. And then 748 means she likes parrots. What is the code for parrots in that language? If you notice, first let's see 348 and take 748, first and last if we take, right? So 48 is same. Now what, and the sentence is, she likes apples. She likes apples. Here she likes parrots. So 2 words which are same is she likes. That means 48 is nothing but she and likes. So what is different here? 3 is for apples, 7 is for parrots. So the question says, which code is for parrot? So it is 7. That means option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Savita walks 20 meters to the west, then turns left and walks 18 meters, and then again turns left and walks 13 meters, and then turns right and walks 6 meters. How far and in which direction is she now with respect to the starting point? Right? So for that we need to draw a simple small diagram to see the location where finally she reaches. So let's first of all mark the directions. Say this is north, this is south, east, and this is west. Now since Savita is standing somewhere, say here, right, she walks 20 meters towards west. That means she goes this way, right? She turns left. If I am facing towards west and my left will be towards south, so I am going down, right? How much she walks? 18 meters. Then again she turns left. If I am facing south, so my left will be towards east. So left means I will go towards east. But how much? I will go 13 meters. I mean Savita goes 13 meters, right? So this is 13 meters. Now the question says, and then she turns right. Right means towards south again, right? I am facing east. So my right will be south and left will be north. So right means she goes again towards south. And how much she walks? She walks 6 meters here. So we have to find the distance from the starting point to the final destination, how much and in which direction. So what I am to find is this distance, right? Now how to find this? If I join this line like this, so this total distance, or if I name also, it is a triangle, right? So if I name it as A, B, C. So what is the total length of AC? It is, see how much she had walked? 18, and then here 6. So 18 plus 6 will be 24 meters. And this distance is, because she walked 20 meters from B to here, and then she walked 13 meters. So if I subtract 13 from 20, what is BC? It is 7 meters. Now what am I to find? Hypotenuse, because this is a right angle triangle. And you know how to find the hypotenuse. AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. And AB square will be, that means this distance will be 6 to 5. Therefore, AB will be 25 meters. So she is 25 meters away from the starting point, but now direction. Since she has not still reached to east completely and she is in the south position from the starting point. So she has not yet reached to east, that means she is still in west and south. So the answer is B. B means 25 meters, because there are two 25 meters. One is southeast and southwest. Some may get confused, they may write southeast because she has started walking towards east, but she has not yet reached to east completely because her original point is in the east and she is still in the west side, right? So you will say 25 meters away and she is in the southwest direction. So option B is the right answer here. Okay, now let's move to the another question, question number 6. Find the odd one out, which is not matching the other three, right? See, first if you see A, B and D, in that this darkened portion, that means shaded portion, is towards the right side, your right side. How? If I rotate this A picture twice, I'll get clockwise. Yes, that is important. If I rotate this clockwise twice, I'll get B, right? Then if I rotate this B clockwise again twice, I'll get D. Whereas here if you see, this position I'll never get, because here the shaded portion is towards my left. So option C is the odd one out. So here the right answer is C. Okay. Now next question. Select a figure from the options which satisfies the same conditions of placements of the dots as in the given figure. As you can see, this one dot is only in triangle, and whereas this dot is in circle as well as in square, and this dot is in all the three figures. It's in triangle also, in circle as well as in square. So we have to see the figure which satisfies all the three dots position. If I see option number B, say, so here if you see, if I place a dot here or anywhere here, so it will not be only in triangle. This position will never be there, because triangle is either in square or in circle or in both. So this position, this dot I can place nowhere. Now let's move to A. Again I can place a dot here, see, only in triangle, but the dot is only in circle and a square. There is no such place, because if I place here, then it comes in circle as well as in square and as well as in triangle, right? So this option is not there, right? Similarly, C also is not there, because here again circle and square is not meeting at one place wherein I can place a dot. So option D is the correct answer. Let's see how. If I place a dot here in the triangle only, right? So one dot is here, the other is in circle and square. Where is that place? This is the place. See, this is only square and circle. There is no triangle in between, right? The third one is all the three figures. So that is this place. Here comes circle, square as well as triangle. Clear? So option D is the right answer for this question. Let's move to the another question. Question number 8 says, a building has 7 floors numbered 1 to 7 in such a way that the ground floor is numbered 1, the floor above it numbered 2, and so on, such that the topmost floor is numbered 7. One out of the 7 people, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, lives on each floor. That means each person on one floor, right? P lives on 4th floor. Now let's first number the floors. As it says, it has 7 numbers, 7 floors, but starting from the ground floor is number 1, right? So I'll go like this. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, right? Now P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, everybody lives on one floor, each floor one person. So P lives on the 4th floor. P lives here. Then says T lives on the floor immediately below U's floor. For example, let's assume U lives somewhere here. So T lives immediately below. U does not live on 2nd or the 7th floor. That means U does not live here or on the topmost floor, right? Again, U is not staying on 5th floor, clear. Now it is living on 6th floor. Let's read the question first again forward. So the next clue is U does not live on the 2nd or the 7th floor. Then now R lives on the 3rd floor. Now here comes R. That means U does not live here as well. U does not live on 2nd. If I place U on 1st floor, then where will the T stay? Because T lives just below U. So these floors are cancelled. Now 5th also is cancelled, as I told before, only because below is T, but here on 4th floor already P is staying. So which place is vacant? It is 6th. So on 6th floor U is living and on 5th T is living. Now next clue says Q does not live on the floor immediately above or below R floor. Q is not living immediately above. That means here on R is on 3rd floor, right? So here Q does not live because already P is there, and even Q does not live on below R. So where Q lives is here. Then it says S does not live on the topmost floor, right? And V does not live on any floor below T's floor. So V does not stay below any floor of T. That means T is on 5th floor. So V is not staying anywhere here. And since these two floors are already occupied, so where does V live? It lives here on the top floor. So the question is, who lives on the topmost floor? It is V. That means option B is the correct answer. Right? Option B is the correct answer. And here what is left is on the second floor? S. That is actually not necessary to show, but only since we are solving the clues and we came to know the answer, like V is living on the topmost floor, that means option B. Now, next question is, if W stands for division, X stands for multiplication, Y stands for subtraction and Z stands for addition, then which of the following options is correct? Now, actually, if you see, to solve such questions, you have to solve each, you have to simplify all the four options what are given to you. You have to simplify them, then only you will come to know which is the right answer. So, if I just write the equations, the options, say for A, right, it is 6, X is what? Again multiplication only, right? So, 6 into 20, and what is W? It is division, and then comes 12 divided by 12. Y is what? Subtraction. Then what is there? 7. W is division again, 1, right? So, there are 2 times division sign, 6 into 20 divided by 12 minus 7 divided by 1. Then B is 6, W is division, divided by 20, then Y is subtraction, subtracted 12, Z is addition, so plus 7 into 1. If you see, all the numbers are same, 6, 20, 12, 7 and 1, only the signs are different. Now 6, again x means multiplication, multiplied by 20, then divided by 12, it is again same like first one only, then divided minus 7. The only difference is here it is z means plus, here plus 1. Then D is 6, y means minus, subtraction, right, minus 20, z means plus 12, then x is what? Multiplication, 7 divided by 1. See, you need to solve actually all the questions, all the options you have to simplify and then see which answer is correct. But simply if you see that as per the board mass, you all know board mass, right? So, board mass means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, first we solve brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition and last subtraction. So, if you see, if I solve division here, here and here, it will be a fractional number, right? So, this I can eliminate, like for timing I will not do. If I can't get the answer, correct answer in the remaining 2 options, I will come to this, right? So, for timing I am eliminating these 2 options because here the answer will be in fraction as such of division only, okay? The final answer can be whole number, right? And so, next again here, where is the division? Here also it will be fraction only. Let's move to the last option first. If this is not giving me the right answer, I'll jump to the other options and I'll solve all the options, right? So, 7 divided by 1. Let's solve. I'm solving D. So, it is 6 minus 20 plus 12 into 7 divided by 1 means 7. So, this will be 6 minus 20 plus 84. Now, I'll do addition first. Since it is negative number, so plus minus minus 20 I'll subtract from 84 and that will finally give me 6 plus 64, right? So, what will be the final answer? 70. So, it's saying which is the correct option. So, it is option number D. See, I got 70 and here also it is 70. So, option D is the correct answer here. Fine. So you just see, first try to find if I can eliminate any option. If not, you have to solve all the questions and then see which is correct answer. Right. Now let's move to the another question. Question 10. The question 10 says, select a figure from the options which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. If you observe this x in the first figure, it is on the left corner, right? Now it moves forward. Now as it moves forward, if you notice that one symbol is added to it, to the figure. So here equal is added before it, right? Then again when it moves to the third figure, now circle is added but backside of x, that means behind it. Again in the fourth figure, if you notice, arrow is added before equal sign. So in one figure, one symbol is added before x, that means just before it, and in the another figure, one symbol is added behind x, and that way they all are moving forward. So if you see the next fifth figure, now since they were moving, like they started like this, right? Now they'll go this way, right? So in the fifth figure, they have reached here. Triangle is added behind circle. Now according to this series, what will be the next figure? Now since triangle is added behind a circle, so the next symbol should be added before this arrow, and it should be somewhere here, right? Because now triangle will come here, here will be circle, here will be x, arrow, sorry, equal, then here will be arrow, and the next symbol will be here. So it should be added before arrow. So that way, if you see option A, square is added, but that is behind triangle. Similarly, here also it is behind triangle. Now here square is added before arrow, and the sequence also of moving the symbols is also right. See, as we discussed, triangle, circle, x, then comes equal, then arrow, and then square. So according to this, C, option C is the right answer. Okay. Question number 11. In a row of girls, Monica is 5th from the left end and Sonia is 6th from the right end. When they interchange their places, Monica becomes 13th from the left end, and now what will be the Sonia's new position from the right end? Let's find what is given to us, and if you see, if I mark here, it is left side, this is right side, and Monica is at the 5th place. This is Monica and this is Sonia, right? So from left, Monica is at the 5th position, she is standing at the 5th place, whereas from the right side, that means from this side, Sonia is standing at the 6th place, right? Now if they interchange the places, that means Monica comes here and Sonia goes here, so then the Monica will be on 13th place from left. Now again from this side, Monica will be here, but this place is 13th. From right it is 6th place, whereas from left it is 13th place. So that means before 6th, there are 5 more places, and since she is already on 13th as per from the left side, so 13 plus 5, that means there are total 18 girls standing in a row. Keeping this in mind, we have to find what is the place of Sonia where she is standing from right end, right? So if there are 18 girls, so this 5th position where Monica was standing, what will be that position? Because here will be 4 girls before that, and if I subtract 4 from 18, what comes? 14. So this will be the 14th place. Sonia's position from the right end will be 14th. So right option answer is option D in this case. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 12. In the Venn diagram, given Venn diagram, circle represents politician, square represents people from cities and rectangle represents males. Now, which of the following represents male politicians who are from cities? That means all three categories are there. The persons should be males also, they should be politicians and from cities. So, that means the number should be in all the three figures. In that case, if you see this 8 is in all the three figures. So, here the correct answer is B, 8. 8 people are from cities and they are males and they are politicians, right? Next question. It says, find the correct water image of the given figure. If I see this figure, what will happen? The picture should start from this place, right? Opposite. So, it should be like this. So, that way these two options are correct, not these, right? Because if it is like this, then the figure, the image should be like this. Clear? So, A and B is the correct option in that way. Now, from A and B, which is correct? If you see, the triangle will be then and there. I mean, it will be here only. It will not go this side, whereas here it is moving this side, right? So, this triangle will be here and the circle will be here because they are already in that place. And if you see here, they are interchanged. So, this option is again cancelled. These two options already were cancelled. This is also cancelled. Now, what is the right option? What is the right answer here? It is B. Move to the next question. 14th. Study the given information and answer the following questions. P star Q means P is the father of Q. So, star represents father. P hashtag Q means P is the sister of Q. So, hashtag is for sister. P dollar Q means P is the brother of Q. So, dollar is for brother. P pound Q means P is wife of Q. So, pound is for wife. Now, which of the following means L is the mother of N? L is mother of N. For mother, what is the symbol? No symbol is given to us. So, it will be indirect clue to you, right? Let's solve first. If you see L, what is pound? Wife of M, right? L is wife of M, and then M is star. Star is what? Father. Star, father, and pound is wife. So, L is wife of M and M is father of N. So, that means how is L and N related? Obviously, L is mother of N. So, the very first option A is the correct answer. Now, next question says the question consists of a set of three figures P, Q and R showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Now, figure R shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select a figure from the options which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure R. Now, if you see, here is a piece of paper. If you fold it into halves, it will be like this. Then again you are folding it, it will be like this. But then they have made three cuts here. One is here square, then semi squares. Two half squares are there, right? So, what if I open this figure? When I open this paper again, which figure I'll get? Very simple. Just you to apply a logic. Since here is a square, full square, okay, in 1/4 portion. That means in each portion the square will be there. Clear? Then here it is half square. If I open it back, so this square will be full, right? Similarly, if I open it again like this to reach to this position, this square will be again full, right? And similarly here will be half square, that will be full here, completed, here will be completed. So, which is the figure that is resembling this answer? The answer is D. So, this option is correct option. Clear? You have to just apply a little logic, see how it is. So, option D is the correct answer in this case. For mathematical reasoning, watch my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching. Do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.